Hey guys, today I'm back with a different kind of video. I haven't did this type of video on my channel yet, so I thought I'll go ahead and show y'all today my product empties. Now these products, most of these I got around December time, around July, August type, around that time of the year. So it's been a minute since I've had them, but I have a lot of products, so it takes a minute. It takes a long time for me to run out of any products. So I thought I'll show y'all the ones I have today and my thoughts on them. So first I'm gonna do, I have a whole line right here, so I'm gonna start with that one. And that is the BodyWorks Almond Marshmallow line. So they have the leave-in spray conditioner, which is still a little bit. I just found out it's still a little bit in there. You see it? So I'm gonna use that today. The hydration serum. This is like everything, you see. And this is not quite empty yet, but next wash day it will be, so I decided to put it in here. And I used it last night as well, the split in repair mask. Like I told you, it's not quite empty, but it'll be there next wash day, so I just included it. Can you see? Yeah, there it is a little bit. But yeah. So overall, this is like hands down one of my favorite lines from any natural hair brand or brand in general, because I don't just use natural hair products. But yeah, in general, this is like one of my faves. Like before this, I was not a fan of, well, I have one other leave-in conditioner spray that I like, but I was really not a fan of them that much. But this one is everything. Like it gives you so much moisture, and like it's bae. Like this whole line is just like hands down, I have no complaints. So yeah, this. It was really moisturizing, and it's not like really runny like some leave-in conditioners. Like it does have a little bit of like texture and thickness to it while still being runny, if that makes sense. And then this one, it's a hydration serum, and this one is not like a typical serum. It's more like a jelly type consistency. And actually I use this for wash and goes and twist outs with no gel, because to me it does have some type of hold. I see some reviews on it that say they don't get a hold, but I got a hold, so I really like it. Hold on, here, take that away. But anyway, yeah, I really like it because it gave me a hold, and I was able to use this by itself and under a gel because I did it both ways. So yeah, I really like this product. And this one, the split and repair mask, it just makes your hair so soft. Like it has so much slip, and it comes with so much in container. This is 16 ounces for only like $8.99. Which this whole line is affordable. Even BodyWorks in general is just affordable, but this line is like really good and affordable. So like this is my go-to. I'm re-upping on all of these pretty soon. But yeah, this makes my hair really soft. It has really good slip. And since I don't have a dryer right now, I can put this on my hair for like 2 hours and I still get the same like benefits for my hair, because it still comes out so soft and manageable. It's just, I like it. I really like it. So next up, I'm gonna go with the Alikay Naturals leave-in conditioner spray ones. Like these are the only two spray leave-in conditioners I like. I haven't found any other ones that, besides, I really like the Cream of Nature Arganol one, but it's not a favorite like these are. But this is bae right here. This is a little more pricey than the BodyWorks line. But Alikay Naturals is a little pricey, but all of their products I've tried so far has worked like really, really good. Because I made a video on the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner, and I've already run through 2 of those, and I'm on my 3rd one. So they're really good. Like I said, same with this. Like you see, it's watery, it's runny, but it's kind of has a little texture and thickness to it. So I think that's why it works really good. And then next up, I'm gonna go with the As I Am leave-in conditioner. Like this is another really moisturizing product. Like this is my first thing I ever tried from As I Am, I believe. This and a co-wash. I think I tried it around the same time. This is just like super moisturizing. This is my holy grail right now. Like that's why I need to get more, because this is just super moisturizing. It works. I haven't come across anything it doesn't work well with. Like my hair just stays soft and moisturized all week whenever I use this. So this is definitely a holy grail of mine. So I have to get more of this too. But I've been having a really hard time finding this. Like I went to Walmart's and beauty supply stores, and I couldn't find them at any of them. So I'm gonna end up going to Sally's, which I don't mind going to Sally's anyway. It's just that Walmart, like, I earn cash back, and in the beauty supply stores next to my house, they have rewards programs, so I earn points with them too. Which I earn points with Sally's too, but it's just faster with the beauty supply because they have so much of a different variety. Like the beauty supply I go to, they have like a big selection of everything in there, so that's why I go there. But yeah, this one right here, Holy Grail, it's bae, I love it. And so next up is a gel, the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Coiling All Curls Elongating Gel. And this is how that looks. This product, I liked it. I really liked it. It's just not something I'll go to like all that often because I want my wash and goes to last all week. And with this gel, it has a lighter hold, so it won't last that long. Now I did use it by itself a couple times, and I used it under another gel as well, and it worked well like that, and it worked well by itself. It's just that it's like I said, it's a softer hold. So sometimes I do want that softer hold and bigger hair and like furry hair, and that's fine. So when I do want that, I can go to this, but for right now, I don't think I'll be repurchasing it just yet, unless I see it in Marshall's again, because that's where I got it from. You can see, yeah, I got it from Marshall's. So yeah, I mean, I like it, but it's just not what I usually go to. So yeah, I'm all over with these products. But anyway, next is the Shea Moisture Deep Cleansing Shampoo in the African Black Soap line. This shampoo I really, really, really like because it does clean my scalp really good because I have a problem with itchy scalp. And it doesn't strip your hair either. Like, it keeps it moisturized. So that's what I like about this one, because it's moisturizing while cleaning. And yeah, and I clarify my hair a lot often than most people do. Like, I do it like every other wash day, which is like every other week usually. So yeah, that one. And then next up, I have the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. I know we have been seeing this. Can't see. Okay, there it is. Oh wait, no, I don't know. Whatever. The Deep Treatment Mask, as you can see, is like completely empty. There's nothing in there. And I really, really, really like this mask. It does have a little bit of protein in it, so that's why I couldn't use it every wash day, but I was using it like twice a month. And it's like, this is another one that just leaves my hair feeling so good after that. Like, it's only one time it didn't leave it like that, and it's because it was my fault and I used it too many times because it does have protein, and since I'm low porosity, what most of my hair is, that wasn't a good thing. I shouldn't have did that, but other than human hair, it works really good, for me at least. And yeah, I really like that one. And like everybody was saying, the smell is not great, but I only leave it on my hair. That's not what I only leave on for my hair. On my hair for like 2 hours, and then I rinse it out. And then next, I have Maui Moisture Vanilla Bean Hair Butter. This is another one of my favorites. Go to. I just like all of these are like a lot of these that I'm saying are my favorites. I haven't repurchased only because I have so much hair products, and I don't want to get rid of some before I purchase anymore because it's just taking up too much room at this point. But yeah, I love this one. As you see, completely empty. And I usually use this for wash and goes and sometimes twist out. And usually I pair this As I Am, this, and a gel, which I'm going to get to the gel in a minute. And it works really good. Like I said, I keep it moisturized, and it's really thick because it's a hair butter, so it's thicker than all these smoothies and stuff, which is good for me because I need something that's going to weigh my hair down because my hair is not easily weighed down whatsoever, and so that can help it stay down. And then next, I have the mini Wetline Extreme Gel. When I first tried it, I only bought the small one because I wanted to know how it works first. I didn't want to buy the big one. But I really really, really like it. I have a video already on my channel for this. But yeah, I really like it. So I did purchase the big one. It keeps my hair, it has a really good hold. It keeps my hair soft, like it don't dry it out, like it's moisturized the entire week. Like I like weekly wash and goes. I don't like to do my hair more than more than once a week. Like if I have to do it twice a week, I will, but I really only like doing my hair once a week. And with this, I can do it once a week and it doesn't look dry. I have so much movement with this gel. Like my hair has so much body movement with this gel. Like I really, really, really like it. And then last up, I have the 1 Minute Miracle Mask by Garner, which is these. I bought the mini ones to test out once again because I didn't want to buy big ones. But yeah, I brought these out. I really, really, really like all of these. Except the only one I did not try is the coconut one, and that's because typically stuff with coconut my hair does not like anyway, so I didn't want to buy it and waste my money. But yeah, I really, really, really like these. And this one is banana and avocado. I did try the papaya one. I like that one too. And I like these two, but I repurchased a big one of the avocado. But I would have repurchased these, but I couldn't find big ones of the other ones. I just only found a big one of the avocado and of the coconut. And I didn't want the coconut, like I said, so I bought the big one of the avocado. And that one is actually almost empty as well, because I really like to use that. Because once I run out of the Maui Moisture Vanilla Bean Hair Butter, I started using the avocado one in replacement of it, which is not as thick, but I still really like it. So I use it for that purpose, and I use it for deep conditioning because it works really, really good on that too. Like it has my hair feeling like butter once I rinse it out. Like it's crazy. Like I know some people said they didn't like it as a deep conditioner. I like it. Now I'm not sure just yet if I'm getting all of the nutrients like in a regular deep conditioner, but I like it because it just leaves my hair feeling so soft, and it's easy. Like I can leave this on for like 20 minutes and when I rinse it out, my hair just feels like butter. Like it just, my fingers just glide through, and detangling is so easy. So that's why I really like it. But yeah, I think that is it for now. I probably will have another video coming really soon because like I was saying, I'm trying to like use all my products I have now before I buy anything new. So that's it for now, but I will see you guys in my next video. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.